everybody. This is lesson number 12, and this lesson is about tornadoes. So, here we go. Yeah, tornado can be very scary. It's basically like a huge thundercloud that comes swirling, like in this picture. Yeah, tornado could be very dangerous. Trust me, it could be very dangerous. But some people might wonder, what causes a tornado? How do they form? Well, I found this video that shows you, that actually explains everything about tornado. So check this out.
Tornadoes are strange, sudden, and can be quite dangerous. But how do they form? What causes a tornado in the first place? Let's find out on today's episode of
Colossal Question.
Whether you call them twisters, cyclones, or tornadoes, they're all the same. Giant, powerful, rotating columns of air that emerge out of a thunderstorm and reach down to the ground, spinning and sucking up dust, dirt, and debris as they whirl. But it takes more than just a thunderstorm to make a tornado. A few other things need to happen at the same time to create the perfect storm. First, a thunderstorm needs to start, usually in the spring or summer. Then, there needs to be a sudden change in wind direction and an increase in wind speed that causes the air in the thunderstorm clouds to start swirling faster and faster. Next, rising warm air from the ground literally tips the quick swirling air over. All that spinning forms a funnel that starts to suck up even more warm air from the ground. That funnel of spinning air keeps getting longer and longer while spinning until it finally touches the ground, officially becoming a tornado. Their strength is measured on a scale called the Enhanced Fujita Scale, which are split into 6 categories, each stronger and more dangerous than the last. An EF0 and 1 tornado are considered fairly weak and likely won't do much damage, if any. EF2 and 3 are strong, with winds well over 100 miles per hour. The 2 most dangerous types of tornadoes on the scale are EF4 and 5. EF5's, the largest category, is any tornado with winds over 200 miles per hour. Only about 2% of tornadoes ever get this strong. The strongest tornadoes can knock over trees, rip apart roofs, bring down buildings, and even send cars or trucks flying through the air. Tornadoes can form on almost every continent, but about 3/4 of them appear over the United States in an area called Tornado Alley that extends from South Dakota all the way down to Texas. The widest tornado ever formed was back in 2013 in El Reno, Oklahoma. That category EF5 tornado had winds over 295 miles per hour and was over 2 miles long and traveled more than 16 miles in just 40 minutes. Poor Oklahoma can't catch a break because the fastest tornado wind speeds ever recorded were in the Sooner State as well. The Bridge Creek Moor Twister on May 3rd, 1999 had unbelievable wind speeds of 318 miles per hour, the highest ever recorded. So, next time you're in your cellar hiding from a terrible tornado, at least you'll understand how it happened. Not that it'll help.
Well, I hope you guys find that interesting. Now, for me to explain the safety. So for safety, when there's a tornado, go to a tornado shelter, which is probably in your house, like the basement where there's no window. You actually go down there and swap on the ground. I'll show you an example. Okay, so here's what you do. You put your hands over your head and then squat roll like this. So that's the safety. So you see, guys, that's exactly what you have to do when there's a tornado. Especially in school, like in this picture, the students are I'm about to walk up to the exact same thing that I just showed you. So, yeah, so that's the watch about tornadoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time. Have a nice day and peace out.